Hello everybody, welcome back to Somerset Andy's channel. This is just a quick update part 5 with the railway. But as you can see now, welcome to Frome Parkway, which is my new layout name. That scale model scenery kit looks awesome. I really think it does look really smart. Yeah, so welcome to Frome Parkway. Can I just say quickly, thank you so much for everyone following my channel, or everyone that subscribed to me. I am just mega impressed. You all inspire me to do these videos still, because last time I looked I had, I think it was 299 subscribers. And also my last model railway update has had over 1,000 views on YouTube. So thank you all so much for that. I really do appreciate it. I really do. You inspire me to make these videos. Anyways, yeah, on the TV, look. That is my good friend Rachel, my good friends Rachel and Sean up at Crewe. Because I've got Alexa voice remote up here now, and I can just go Alexa YouTube channel. Oh, that's awesome. And they just come up. That's awesome. In the man cave up here. So yeah, I'll just it's a very quick update. Well, I will go inside as well, but we have some locos running it. We have my stunning Hornby Class 60 that is running. Beautiful, that's Dalo 60044. Beautiful loco. Also, look, I will do a full review of this, but the 159 is also running as well. The Bachmann one, stunning. The sound effects on that are just fantastic. I will do a full review of that, and also, as you can see, GWR Class 159 is running around as well. So yeah, what's been going on here is I have got a bit more done. You can see there that I've got the retaining wall on the other side of the mainline station. I don't know if you can see where I marked the line there. That is where the parcel depot that joins up to it will go in. And then I will extend the platform as far as I can, all the way sort of down to there. So that is the plan with that. There's also, look, down here, we've already got some spotters on the platform. Oh, I don't know if you can see there with scale model scenery, I have put the yellow lines along on the platform. I think it looks mega cool. Really do think it looks great. So yeah, and then if we go over here, as you can see now, look, I have salvaged the other depot from the original layout. And now, as you can see, I have a double lit up depot. And now, any advice on this, because I'm thinking of keeping it the same colour, because I put the BR sign on it, and like say that was the original depot, and then they added the other one and painted it different. But any advice, any, you know, what you think, I'll do what you think. I'm in two minds with that one at the moment. I am in two minds with it. So I'm not too sure at the moment exactly what I'm going to do with that. But I do quite like it as it is, I gotta be honest. So yeah, and then also look, as you can see, we have a back scene on that. We have an ID back scene on the wall as well. I fitted that on the wall. I mean, basically the low relief buildings are going to go along there anyway. but I just wanted to get a back scene on there, so if there's any sort of gaps between the buildings, you've got a back scene. But yeah, so that's done. Also over here, look, is 66, I think it's 66152 or 66135, and that's another new loco. Well, same year, it's pre-owned. I got it from Hattons for £100. I fitted a TTS sound decoder in that one, and he's awesome. 66152, sorry, yeah, 66152, that's right. Yeah, so what I'll do, I will just go, I'll climb under the board and I'll sit in the middle, and so you can see the actual station as it's coming along from the other side with all the Metcalfe canopies and that built. So I will just jump in there a minute, so I'll be back in a couple of minutes. There we go, guys, and there's the station, look, how it's coming along. Basically, these kits, these Metcalfe kits with these ones, they're not the easiest to build. One of my subscribers said that he found it very fiddly. They are fiddly. I find it sometimes is just best to walk away from it, then actually try it again. But yeah, basically, if you can see what I've done here now, I've extended, as Alan Partridge said, with his table, and he's looking at his new house with a table, and he pulled it out. Yes, it's an extender. Sorry, that's my sense of humour. But yeah, I extended a platform there, and that's the Metcalfe retaining wall kit. You get a platform with it. Obviously, then you've got the mainline station along there, and as you can see, I've now done another retaining wall. So yeah, over there is going to be the parcels office, but I've already marked it out, so I'm going to build the remaining platform that's going to go all the way down, like the remaining platform bits with the actual kits, like. So yeah, that is what's been going on. Little jockey that is not up here, he's flat out down there, bless him again. But yeah, it's looking good. It's been so busy here though, it's nice to do a bit of modelling. But I will say the only problem I have now with all this being in the house, it's finally decide when you switch the locos off and you actually call it a night. Because the other night, well, the other morning I should say, I was up for so long playing with trains I never even noticed the time. I should know better at my age. And yeah, it got very, very late, very early in the morning. Just before I finish this one, oh look, I haven't changed my calendar up there yet. It's still on April. Oh, that's a bad omen, that, isn't it? But yeah, that's what's going on. I hope you enjoyed this update, and say thank you so much everyone that subscribed to me. I really do appreciate it, and all your comments, I really do appreciate it. And I cannot believe my last railway update has had over 1,000 views on YouTube. So all I can say is thank you all so much. Thanks for following my channel. Like I say, you're all an inspiration to me to actually do these videos, because I do like doing the videos. I do say when I get asked questions, if I can help anybody, I will. I'm not a top modeler, as you know, but if I can help anybody with any queries, setting up a layout and that, I'm always there. I'm always there to help. That's just me, isn't it? You know me, don't you? So yeah, that's a stunning scene there, isn't it? Look at that, and it just, and it just, look at that. Yeah, so it's just a quick update, and basically the plan now is I'm going to get this platform finished. So I've measured it. I'm going to build the remaining part of the platform with a Metcalf kit, and then I will build the parcel office, because the parcel office is quite a big build, whereas the platform kits I can build them really quickly, like. So we'll see how it goes with that. Let's see if we can get a shot coming down through here with the trains in a minute. And then after all that's done, it's a massive job of ballasting, but there you go. Oh, I think there's a class 60 coming through at the moment. I think Dalo's on its way. Look, there's Dalo. They say Dolo or Dalo, I'm not too sure. Oh, and there's a 158 come through as well. And it just, people, and it just. Not good having this room just across the landing from your bedroom, because it's so tempting just to get up and just so you wake up and think, so I go and run some trains. But yeah, the class 159, I will do a review soon. He's out and running, he's awesome. I will do a review with all the digital sounds on it, because it is quite stunning. I will do a separate video with that. So yeah, there we go. That's what's going on. It's getting there. Look at that lovely MPV. Thanks, Rach, up at Mini Wisconsin Junction for the MPV. Thank you so much for that. 3748. Yeah, and down there, oh, in it just there, I just love it in this room. I absolutely love it in this room at the moment. Yeah, it's proper man cave. So yeah, I thought I'd do this update and say it really is a real massive thank you to all of you for following my channel, subscribing to me. And like I say, when I realised that my last update had over 1,000 views on YouTube, I was really shocked. But I'm so grateful. And say I will keep doing these video updates. There will be one again soon. We will see what happens. Oh look, yes, look. I mean, the way I designed these baseboards so I could come up in the middle, I don't know if that's a good move or not, because I'm sat in my comfy chair now in the middle filming the trains going around. Is that a good move or not? I don't know. But yeah, that's a quick update on what's going on. And thank you all for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. And I will be back soon with another update. So I will say bye for now from Somerset Andy. I hope you all take care, stay safe, and I will see you soon. And I will sign off by saying thanks very much everyone. You're all an inspiration to me. So thank you very much everybody. So I will say, oh hang on a sec. the 158's coming through. That the 158's just gone through. Yeah, so I will say bye for now. Hang on a sec. Hang on a sec. There's another one. The 159's coming through now as well. Oh, and it just everybody, innit? Look at that. That's fully DCC sound fitted as well. That one is. Innit? It's terrible, innit? It's me, I'm terrible, but there you go. Yeah, so I'm going to finish now. The 60's just coming through, right? 60044 is coming through. Right, and I'm going to finish it on that note. There you go. There's Dilo or Dolo, I don't know how you say it. It's D-O-W-L-O-W. Dilo or Dolo, I'm not sure. But yeah, thank you all for watching. And say thanks again everyone. I really do appreciate it. Yeah, so any comments, good or bad, please let me know. And any comments on the new depot building over there, please let me know on that with a painting it. Okay, I will say bye for now for Somerset Andy. All take care, stay safe. Bye for now. Cheers everyone. Bye. Bye for now. Bye.